Welcome everyone. My name is Justin Bricklin. Today's date is October the 21st, 2018. I am currently taking a master's class in environmental management, and today's presentation is the elements of the red-cocked woodpecker management plan. I am streaming live from San Antonio, Texas. We'll be going over the vision statement, the stakeholders that are involved, and the overarching goals. The vision statement ultimately boils down to improve land management for the success of the red-cocked woodpecker. Some people may wonder what makes a vision statement, and really it's just the main and important goal that we are trying to accomplish overall. In the elements of this management plan, there are 3 stakeholders. The first is the Arkansas Game and Fish Commission. They are particularly a stakeholder because they actually have a wildlife management area that is responsible for maintaining a red-cocked woodpecker population. The second stakeholder is the Plum Creek Timber Company. They are potentially a stakeholder, or they are a stakeholder because the land in question that they are wanting to use is their private land. Plum Creek, however, has a little bit obstacle they have to overcome. Is because the red-cocked woodpecker is an endangered species, so the Plum Creek Timber Company has to utilize a conservation plan that is acceptable and utilized and must be passed through certain avenues to be able to use the land. The local community also is a stakeholder, is because the lands that Plum Creek own and the lands around the Arkansas Game and Fish Commission's WMA is pretty much Hutting, Arkansas. It is in their local community. So any changes that are made or improved, not only does it impact the local community, but they also can actually help in utilizing and implementing some of the management practices to improve the way that they live and probably their population as well. The overarching goals. The Plum Creek Timber Company, their goal is to utilize their land. To kind of go into the little bit of the Arkansas Game and Fish Commission, their main focus is increase prescribed fire programs in private lands, and the local community is just looking at improving their community. So if by properly managing from the vision statement, properly managing or improve managing of the land, they'll be able to pretty much accomplish the goals that they want to take on. So the Plum Creek Timber Company will be able to utilize their timber on own lands. The WMAs from the Arkansas Game and Fish Commission can increase fire programs in private lands to help improve some of the management of the red-cocked woodpecker and other species as well. And the community will be able to benefit from the jobs and opportunities that are coming into that area. So today we talked about the vision statement, which is improving land management for the success of the red-cocked woodpecker. The stakeholders, which is the Arkansas Game and Fish Commission, the Plum Creek Timber Company, and the local community, aka also known as Hutting, Arkansas. And we also talk about the overarching goals and where they all can connect and contribute to the vision statement, which is either utilizing lands for timber uses, improve prescribed programs to help manage the wildlife management area, and improving the local community at the same time. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening to my presentation. And here are the list of references.